Hello everybody, my name is Maximilian, welcome back in another video. In this video I will go over the process on how to order items on CNFans. So it's been a while since I dropped the last video like this, and the CNFans changed their looks a bit. As you can see, the website looks much different now. So let's update this video. Let me just show you how to order items on CNFans. So obviously first you need links.
By the way guys, if you're looking for a lot of links with high quality products, check out this Panda Buy Finds group on Telegram. You have the link down in the description.
You have loads of them down in the description. As you can see, many products, actually dozens of products. As you can see, you have loads of links in here. You also have the price and the brand here selected, and you can search by these categories, so it's all nice. And let's say I have found the link to the product I want to buy now. All I do now is just simply paste this thing into the browser like this and hit. And as you can see, the product that I want to buy now shows up without any issues. Sometimes you get such a warning, but check out my channel, I have made a lot of tutorials on how to bypass this. No worries whatsoever. And yeah, now we've got to choose the parameters of the product. So let's say I want to buy these pink specials and in a size 39. Let's select 39. Quantity, let it be 1. And for this product, we don't need to add any more requirements, but for some products, you might need to just specify a size or something, so you leave a message here. When we scroll down, we can see like more photos of the product, we can see everything, how it all looks like, and yeah, we can decide whether we want to buy these shoes or not. Sometimes like this, it's in Chinese, so we can just click on the picture, so it gets translated. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So now let's go to the cart and let's simply pay for the product. So I'm going to select this product and let's hit on submit order now, like this. As you can see, let's click on do not prompt again and confirm. If you want, you can also add some extra photos, extra remarks or whatever, but I'm not going to add any of that. Let's hit I have read and agree, and let's buy the product now. Here you select the country where you're from, and then you select the payment methods, and I'm going to use the payment method of balance because I have some balance left. But if you don't have any balance, you can use the debit card, credit card, Google Pay or Skrill. Or if you are from a different country, you can also use some different payment methods that are available in your country. Okay, I'm ready to pay for the product, so let's hit pay for the order. $33.97, this is how it all looks like. This is how much they will charge me for a product. And as you can see, it's confirmed, I paid for the product. Now the agents will purchase the product for you. Then it will arrive in the warehouse and they will take the QC pictures of the product, pack out this package for you, and then you can pay for the international package as well. As you can see, I have received a confirmation on my phone because I have the CNFans application installed on my phone. I recommend you to get the CNFans application as well, so you don't miss on any updates. Okay, and with that said, everything's done, so let's hit on my orders and let's see whether it is here. Yes, it is here. As you can see, we have the order pending, and if something's wrong, we can just get the money back, no problems whatsoever when it comes to that. And after the product arrives, you get the QC pictures. Maybe something's wrong, maybe something's off, maybe the product is damaged. We'll receive a notification from the agent that the product might have some marks and it's not in an ideal shape, so that you can decide whether you want to refund or whether you want to keep the product. And just like this, now some of the items are currently in my warehouse. Let me show you how it all looks like. When I hit on the product, it shows me the QC pictures of it. I can see everything here. Yeah, it comes with a box and stuff, so it's all nice. So as you can see, this is how you can order items on CNFans in 2025 after the update of the website. As you can see, it's pretty much the same. Nothing really happened, nothing really changed. Everything is pretty much identical. The thing is that the website looks much different now. It's much more modern, looks better, to be honest. I really like it. Yeah, that would be it as for this video. If you have any questions, leave me in the comment section. I will answer you. Don't forget to sign up to the CNFans and don't forget to use my links to the products. Yeah, many links with high quality items. You can also check out my TikTok where I do post lots of different tutorials and how to do stuff, items on CNFans. And yeah, that will be it as for this video, and see you in the next one. Bye!